Hey guys, my name's Christina and I'm from Arizona. Installing a hitch on your Honda Odyssey can take you to some really fun places, like camping, bike riding, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. So let's take a look at this easy install. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Before installing the hitch, we're gonna need to prep underneath the body. On the driver's side, we're gonna have a panel that we will need to take off. There's gonna be 4 attachment points in the front, one here, 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 and here. We're also gonna have a Phillips screw on the inside and a 10mm on the inside. On the passenger side, we're going to be removing the mud flap by removing these 2 pins. On the passenger side, we're going to remove the rubber isolator holding the exhaust up. Now that the underbody is prepped and ready, we're ready to put our hitch into position. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one at home, I would suggest grabbing an extra set of hands as this hitch is very heavy. Now that we have the hitch into place, we're going to go ahead and install our 3 bolts into the 3 well nuts that are up here with the Bolt Chronicle tooth washer teeth side up. And now we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now that our bolts are in place, we're going to go ahead and torque all of them down to manufacturer specification using the torque wrench with a 5-inch extension and a 19mm socket. And now we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now that the hitch is torqued down and everything, we're going to go ahead and reinstall a rubber grommet to our exhaust. I'm going to be using some soapy water to help ease installation. We're going to go ahead and cut the underbody panel to manufacturer specification. We're going to be reinstalling the driver's side panel. On the passenger side, we're going to reinstall the mud flap that we previously took off. Now that we have the vehicle on the ground, let's get some important measurements. We're going to have a 2-inch receiver. From the top of the inside receiver to the ground, it's going to be 13 inches. From the center of the pinhole to the bumper, it's going to be 4.5 inches. That's going to help you determine the length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. That's our installation on the Honda Odyssey. Thanks guys for watching. Take care and be safe. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.